Hello my friends, welcome to the Queen of Natural Remedies channel. Today I am making a very perfect remedies that you can get rid of acne scars, pimples on your face and blackheads. Let's start. Just one leaf of aloe vera will be enough for us. I cut one small aloe vera leaf and cut it and leave it in a bottle in a glass for 30 minutes. Then I got the aloe vera gel with a comb. It is really easy to get aloe vera gel with a comb. You can squeeze it if you want. I just use half of an aloe vera leaf. It is enough for me because I'm going to use this remedy just for 3 days, and after 3 days you will see that I will get rid of the pimples on my husband's face. You will see at the end of the video. Please watch it till the end. If you say that I don't have aloe vera leaf at my home, you can use the product that you can buy from markets. Aloe vera is really an excellent cleanser for the skin. Thanks to its enzyme containing structure, its use allows the skin to be gently cleaned from dead cells. And besides its purifying properties, it has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. In this way, it prevents infections and pimples on the skin, and it really moisturizes your skin very well. Now we have tea tree oil. Approximately 10 drops of tea tree oil will make you get rid of these scars and pimples on your face. I mixed just these two ingredients very well and it's ready. But before applying aloe vera cream onto your face, we are having one perfect remedy. We just need half cup of water with room temperature. Then we need vinegar. Apple vinegar will be perfect. If you have natural one, it's better. 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar I'm adding, and then a cotton pad. I will clean my face before applying this remedy. I will certainly clean my face and leave this cotton on my face for 10 minutes. At least 10 minutes will be okay. I will apply this remedy onto my husband's face today. Firstly, get these pimples out of his face. Put the cotton on his face and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are applying aloe vera cream that we have prepared just with 2 ingredients. You can store this cream in your fridge 1 week, for 1 week. And I'm not applying all his face, just on pimples and scars and blackheads, because it may make your skin dry because we have used tea tree oil. And now it's ready. I am going to use this remedy for 3 days, 1 in the morning and 1 at night. Then after 3 days, we will get rid of these scars and get a better skin. It really looks better after 3 days, as you see. I'm going to pour the perfect cream onto a jar. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, tell to your friends that I had a very good channel. I like it and I want you to see. You can say to your friends. Okay, let's move on. Now I say that for pimples, and if you have skin burns, bruises on your skin, you can use this aloe vera cream and apply on to bruises gently. It may harm. And after 3 days, they have gone. I really feel better now. Hope you liked the video. And if you tried this easy but effective remedies, please write your comments under the video. I will be really happy to read your nice comments. Hope you like it, and for more videos, please share with your friends. I'm leaving some of my other videos here. Thank you. Bye bye.